Hello everyone, this is Thealphaprogrammer and welcome to your 5th Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make mathematical operators. So let's get to it. Now, first I'm going to show you how to add two numbers and assign the result to a variable. So, just make an integer variable. I'm going to name mine x, and then you want to put x equals 4 plus 3. That's a simple operation, nothing too complicated for like grade 11 or something. Pretty simple. So now you just want to print it out on the screen. So do system.out.println and then just put in x in here. And after you did that, hit save, hit run, and you get a 7. So now we know how to use and how to assign an integer, how to assign any, variable, mathematical operation result. And you can do this for int, and you can also do this for double, and other number variable formats. So what this basically told Java here is int x, define int x. Set int x equal to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So x equals 7. System.out.println means print x. X equals 7. So printing 7. And that's basically what Java did right there, in a nutshell. So that's a crash course on how that works. Now I'm gonna add variables to each other and assign the result to another variable. So I'm just gonna do int y. And also in your int x, you wanna assign it something like 4, and I'm gonna assign my y 3, and then you want your z, or my z. I'm gonna have my z just be the total of this added to this. So actually, I can now add them in two ways. I can have it either, like I said, assign on the same line, so I can put it equals 4 plus 3, or I could have it assigned to the next line. Sorry, not 4 plus 3. X plus y. I could have it on the next line be like this. Z equals y plus x. I could have that be also like that, but that wouldn't make much of a difference. It would just kind of save you a bit of time, I guess. So I'm just gonna define it on this line, on the same line, and then you want to just print it out on the thing, on the screen. So system.out.println z, line terminator, save, lag, and then run. And by lag, I meant it just lagged for a second and then froze. But you probably didn't see that because it froze like momentarily. But now, as you can see, 7. Z is 7, and that is very true because 4 plus 3 equals 7, and it printed 7 on the screen. So here's your crash course on what Java did. Java basically defined the variable x is 4, so it's like, okay, x is 4, remember that, and then y is 3, remember that. Okay, now we have z equals y, which is, 3, plus x, which is, 4, equals 7, so z equals 7. And then it went to this line and said system.out.println z. That's how Java was seeing this program, and that's what it did. That's very simple thing on mathematical operators. And now I'm just going to show you the main operators in action. So let me just delete those variables and just work with one. So I'm going to have z equal to 4 now times 3. Hit save, run it, and as you can see it's 12 because 4 times 3 is 12. We also have divide. Hit save and run, and we get 1. Because this is an integer, so what an integer does is it takes a number, and if it has any decimals, it drop kicks it out. Literally. Well, kind of. It drop kicks it out of the memory. But don't worry, it won't hit you in the head. It doesn't actually, like, physically drop kick stuff out. And then we also have your percent thing, your percent sign, and that kind of just means the remainder of, like, if you were to divide that, that gives you your remainder. And that's what this one does. So that's all there is for this tutorial. And so this is the Thealphaprogrammer signing off.